I recommend a wireless remote control for blast furnace mud bubbles that subverts tradition and leads the technological trend. This remote control adopts an advanced bidirectional feedback mode, which can make the remote control performance more precise and the operation smoother at the same time. It also has waterproof and dustproof functions, which can adapt to various harsh environments, allowing you to use it with peace of mind. The wireless remote control for blast furnace mud bubbles adopts an ergonomic design, providing a comfortable grip and suitable for long-term operation. Moreover, its battery has strong endurance and can be used for up to 30 days on a single charge, eliminating the need for frequent battery replacement.